Hey, what's up, guys? I just found this banner on the ground. It's pretty cool, right, Brianna?
Yep, yep.
It's actually, ooh, it's open. Anyway, so it looks very, very new. Oh, it's so good. Looks like someone just bought it. Whoa, just a long one. Alright, let's check this out. Whoa, that's a good bearing, guys. That loud. Pretty loud. I just found like a $9 fish spinner, guys.
Yeah.
It's like kind of camouflagey too. Yeah. I don't know how new this is. These spinners have been out for like 2 months. 2 months, guys? I don't know how many months, but I like them. They're cool.
Yes, and I also got this.
You're not giving that away though. So yeah, guys.
Look at the size. See? I can paint on them.
You can paint all over them?
Yeah.
No, you can't. You're not painting on it. You're not painting on it. I am still in the giveaway for this and this. If you're new, please subscribe to this channel. And I'm going to change my view right now. So, and I'm going to time how long it's actually going to spend.
Sorry, guys.
I'm just going to wrap it up, okay, guys? Too loud.